Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone or hotspot device supports tethering and that your cellular plan allows it. Carriers sometimes block hotspot features. Once done, plug into power or ensure battery is above half so the radio won't throttle. Next, turn on mobile data and check APN settings in the network menu so the device can access the internet. If you have dual SIM, pick the SIM with a data allowance. These steps get you into the active sharing state quickly. You now configure the hotspot itself. Go to Tethering or Portable Hotspot settings and select Wi-Fi tethering for broad compatibility. Make sure to set a recognizable SSID and a strong WPA2 password so strangers cannot join. Then limit the number of allowed devices to conserve data and battery. If your device supports 5 GHz, use it for faster local speeds or pick 4 GHz for range. Finally, change the sleep or you finish by connecting your laptop, tablet, or another phone to the hotspot SSID using the password you set. Verify the client gets an IP address and can reach the gateway. If the internet does not work, toggle mobile data on the host device, restart the hotspot, or switch bands. Make sure carrier tethering is not blocked and you haven't hit a data cap. If Wi-Fi still fails, use USB tethering for a direct, more reliable connection as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.